Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to share Messenger group link. So then I'll be showing you an easy method on how you can share your group link. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before getting started, make sure that you've updated your Messenger application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, in order to share a group link, you must have a group. Only then you'll be able to share a group link. So then first of all, open up your Messenger. On the other page, you will be directed into chat page. So after that, open up your group chat that you actually want to share your link. And as the chat page loads, tap on the eye icon in the top right corner. And then right in between, you have invitation link. Tap on it. And once you do that, next page you'll have to turn it on. Just tap on the icon which is right in the corner. And once you turn it on, down there you have different options. So you can either copy it and then on the other side you can paste it where you want to send, or else what you can do is simply tap on share, which is on the third step. So as you tap on it, you can see there are multiple options. So from here you'll have to select on which application you want to share the link. So for example, I'll go with WhatsApp. Just tap on it. So after that, on the other side you'll have to select the person or the contact that you want to share the group link with. So just tap on it, and also you can share with multiple people at the same time. So just tap on the arrow icon once you're done selecting. So once again you'll have to tap on the arrow icon which is right in the corner. You can see that the group link has been shared. So that is how you can share your Messenger group link on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.